I've always loved the trade industry. I actually started my trade business at the age of 23. I was working for a company based in Esher in Surrey for a good 5 years, done my apprenticeship, NVQ, worked my way up to run a small team, and then like most guys, go out on your own and start a business, start building a customer base, continue to do the good work and grow the business basically. But my true love for decorating started at a young age. I was 15 years old, my family broke down and my granddad used to come over and help me decorate the house, and while most kids my age were doing their exams and studying, I was painting the house. So I've been in the industry over 20 years, been running the business 17 years, and I have an all-round passion and love for not just what I do, but for other tradespeople who live the problems that I live, which is why we're trying to build a solution for them. Respect and love my customer base, homeowners, also the solution is for them as well. An all-round love for the trades industry, construction industry, and I've always been lucky enough to enjoy what I do.